Hello, welcome back. Today, we are going to take a look for our algebra students at the concept of slope and how you find the slope, either from 2 points or from looking at the graph of a line. All right, so let's start with what is slope? So slope tells you the rate of change. It tells you how far over and up and over and up, or over and down and over and down, your line is going, and it is the rate of change. All right, so let's take a look here. These are all different ways of representing and finding slope. So first, let's talk about our basic standard linear equation. Y equals mx plus b. So this is what's called slope-intercept form, where m represents the slope, b represents the y-intercept, and then x and y represent the points on your line, x comma y, or your input and your output. So this m is your slope, and it is known as the rise over the run, meaning the up or down divided by the over. And in terms of points, we solve for that by saying y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2, and that's kind of a mouthful, but all that means is if you have a point, 1 point, x comma y, and then you have a second point, x comma y, you take the difference of your y's and divide it by the difference of your x's. So let's take a look at this with an example. So let's say we have the point 4, 3. And let's say, and so we'll call that point x1, y1. And then let's say we have a second point on the same line, 1, -1. And we'll label that x2, y2. Now, I'll tell you a little secret. It does not matter which is your x1, which is your x2, as long as you stay consistent. If we call this point our 1s, then they have to come first. And if we call this point our 2s, then they have to come second. But we could get the same answer by reversing these two. Okay, so now, let's say these 2 points are on the same line, and we would like to know the slope of that line. Well, let's pop them into that figure. Okay, so remember, it's rise over run. Rise means our y-axis, and run means our x-axis. So we always do our y's divided by our x's. All right, here we go. So y1, that's here, that's 3, minus y2, that's over here, that's -1. All right, take great care here. 3 minus parentheses -1, and we're going to sort that out in a minute, divided by x1. Okay, we started with this, so we start with it again, 4 minus x2. All right, now let's resolve that. Minus a minus becomes a plus. So that becomes 3 plus 1 over 4 minus 1. And 3 plus 1 is 4. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So the slope of our line with points 4, 3 and 1, -1 resolves into 4 over 3. The slope is 4/3. Now, let's take a look at that same problem graphically. So here I've got some graph paper, and I've plotted out over 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1, 2, 3, and there's that point. And I plotted out over 1, down 1. So those are our same 2 points that we worked with before. So now here's a second way to find your slope. sketch out the triangle that connects those 2 points. And now let's solve for the slope graphically. So we went up 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So that was our rise. And we went over in the positive direction 1, 2, 3 units. So that's our run. And again, we find out that our slope is 4/3. So this is how to solve for slope graphically. And this is how to solve for slope numerically. So there you go. That's your first taste of slope, what it means, and how to find it looking at 2 points, either graphically and counting, or algebraically with using the slope equation, y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So play around with that, give that a shot, and then tune back in for some more videos on linear equations and how to work with them. And as always, keep mathing.